All right, so whew, I'm hot. So we got like $2.46. We gotta fill it up real quick. Now let's see how much we're gonna need to fill it up. Hello. Okay. Probably gonna have to check this, even though they say what doesn't work, you don't fix it. But I gotta check this because the weight, the part is right here. The weight is all the way there. The weight is only on the back. So if I could push it like in the middle, I feel like it would be better. I think I'd be good. I'm gonna fill it up and then 44. I can force it to get to 45. Alright, so I'm gonna go inside and peel real quick. Man, I just left my phone. Hopefully they don't steal it. Alright, I'll go inside and peel real quick. You know what? Let me get my damn phone. Let me get my damn phone because that's gonna attract people to want to do something. Let me just take that shit out. Not that lazy. Let me go pee real quick, man. I gotta pee. And then hit the road. Now I'm on my way to drop off the load, but it's raining, man. It's raining. Like sometimes it get bad, man. When you get like, there's some part it's bad and there's some part it's just better. Like right now it's better, right? Now wait till I get a couple miles. It's gonna be, they're gonna start running bad again. I kind of don't like those country roads, man. Them US road. be hybrid too. So much mountain road, man. I did not know that. If I know I was going on top of the mountain like that, I would ask for more money for that load. Definitely. I did not know that. That's why it's always good when you take a load. Before you take a load, you put the city you're going to, and then you look at the map. You look at the road, how the road looking like. If the road look a bunch of S's, that's when you're gonna be on top of the mountain. There's gonna be a lot of curves. You know? Always do that, man. Now, if there's something I don't like, is the fact that when you go to a place, the road that it used to be, they close it and you gotta go somewhere else. So that's what happened to me right now. Now I'm following the security guy. He was on his way, but he explained to me how to get there, but it looked like it's gonna show me instead, which is cool. But it's just ridiculous, man. Ridiculous, but anyway, I'm already there. I just happened to go to the other side of the building to deliver, and hopefully I'll find another good load. I saw something, I bid on it, but I guess they're not okay with it. They didn't give it to me yet, so hopefully we got a good one, man. On top of the mountain, man. I'm somewhere named Green Forest, Arkansas. Green Forest, Arkansas. All right, so now it just told me where to turn on. Now let's go deliver that sucker and then pray for a good load. Let's do it, baby. Let's do it. I think I'm gonna end the video now, so make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment. I'm out, man. I'm good. All right. I got a delivery for you. It's one skid.
Where are you going?
It's food. The guy says it's ingredients. So.
It's ingredients?
Yeah, that's what the guy that helped to come here said.
Maybe there'll be a truck for what we normally go. A little bit of. What are you delivering? Is there a seal on the back?
Thank you.